Welcome back. We are going to now look at using the Images tab in the Rich Text Editor. If you would like to upload an image, you click on that button. Here's your tab. Once you click the tab, you can drag and drop or click. I'm going to use an image I already have loaded onto my desktop. When you see I pull that in, it's going to go ahead and load that. And when it loads it, it turns yellow, it kind of pauses for a second, and then it pops it in. Once your image is in, you can manipulate it with sizing exactly like you do in Google Docs. And you shouldn't have any problem making it smaller or larger. And it's going to insert wherever you have your cursor. So that is the easiest way to insert an image. Once again, upload image. It gives you the option to go from your computer or to use a URL. Click and drag or drop to the browser of your computer. All right, Bulldogs, it's your turn to go ahead and try that, and go ahead and open your account and try to insert an image that you might already have loaded onto your computer or one that you download from the internet.